It took so long. Today, we're going to be doing the Sherbet Experiment. We've got everything we need here. 1 teaspoon and 1 tablespoon. 3 bowls. Citric acid, bicarbonate of soda, and icing sugar. I'm using Twinkl guide to do this experiment. Here are 3 sampling bowls. In bowl number 1, 1 tablespoon of bicarbonate of soda and 1 tablespoon of citric acid. In bowl number 2, we're going to put 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda and 1 tablespoon of citric acid. Next one, number 3. Here's the bowl number 3. Spinning it around. And in bowl number 3, we are going to put 1 tablespoon of bicarbonate of soda and 1 teaspoon of citric acid. Is it time to get started, Mommy?
Yes.
Let's go. Next step, we have to add 1 tablespoon of icing sugar to each bowl.
That's right.
Oh, I can't see a thing. Mix. Oh, it looks so tasty and cool. Now, we have 3 ready-made samples here. Now, I am going to test them by taking half a teaspoon of each. And I'm going to find out which one gives more fizziness in my mouth.
Let's find out.
Let's Fizzy! Oh. Disgusting. I'm not tasting anymore. No more. I'm out. Ugh, I'm not going to taste any of this anymore. Ugh, I'm out. I'm leaving this room. You can do the rest of the experiment. I'm not tasting a thing. It was such a bitter thing. I had to take a giant sip of water to get that taste out of my mouth. Ugh. I don't like that taste. No! So, unfortunately, guys, I won't be able to finish this experiment. The challenge for you is to do this experiment at home and tell us in the comment section below how it tastes. Ready, guys? Good luck. Oh, I burped. Oh, it was good. My nose is pixie. Oh, that's why I really hate this stuff. I burped and it always came out of my nose like Pepsi. I'm leaving.
You know what? All those fizzing sensation that you feel in your mouth is caused by the bubbles of carbon dioxide
It's
gas.
caused by the ewing bud. It's caused by the ewing bud. It's the bud that says ew in your tongue. Ew. I'm not trying it again, you.
What happened soon you tasted this mixture?
It started tasting super fizzy and it straight away immediately turned into like quicksand substance.
Mm-hmm.
And then when it's gone down into my tummy, it tasted like sour lemons mixed up with a billion lemons.
So you didn't like the
I really didn't like it. In fact, I thought it was disgusting.
Okay, fair enough.
You can taste it. It'll be delicious to you.
Okay.
Eat a whole spoon if you like it.
No, I'm not in that game.
What did it taste?
Ah,
Lemons?
I'm the sick board.
That's just why turn.
Yeah. And
Daddy, time for you to have a sip.
let me try this one.
Time for you to have a gulp.
Mm.
Ew!
Yep, yep.
Lap, lap.
This is better. Actually, number 3,
He's the best.
yeah, is not too bad. Less fizzy.
Ha!
Yeah, number
One
3.
ball for you. I hope you enjoyed this experiment, and I know you did. Now it's Akhlaq's turn to taste the sherbet. Good. You like it? Eat the whole spoon then. It is so good. Just my reaction. Next one for you. Sherbet. Eat. Is it a little less sour? No. A lot. Try 3. It's the best one. Sure. Maybe you might have. It's the best, isn't it, Mommy? It is the only best one. Best. Yeah, it's the best, I told you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more our science experiments.